everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can passcode lock your Telegram chat. So if you want to lock your Telegram chat by using the passcode, first of all you have to launch your Telegram on your device. Once you have launched your Telegram, you have to tap on the hamburger menu which is on the top left corner of the screen. Once you are here, you have to tap on the setting from the panel. Once you have tapped on the setting from the panel, on the setting page, you have to tap on the privacy and security. So once you are on your privacy and security, you can see the passcode lock. So to enable the passcode lock on your Telegram, you have to just go for that. And here you have to just tap on the enable passcode. So here you have to create a passcode. You have to enter any 4 digits that you will use to unlock your Telegram app. So write your 4 digit here. After that, your passcode will be applied to your Telegram chat like this. So this is the simple way how you can easily apply the passcode lock on your Telegram chat. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.